Living debt-free, tips for a better credit score. What exactly is living debt-free? Congratulations on taking the first step towards financial freedom and setting a definite goal to pay off all of your student debt. This is a great accomplishment for a student because this type of debt allows them to get a head start on their future financial freedom. Second, congratulations on working so hard to repay your student loan debt and setting goals each month to keep up with it. This is a wonderful accomplishment for a student, and the financial management skills you have learned through the process will serve you well in the future. Remember, this is an investment for your future. You owe it to yourself to do what it takes to make sure you continue to pay down your debt in order to keep this investment with you for the long haul. What about all of the debt you already have? Did you really get yourself into the situation where you can only pay it down at a certain rate? Or did you create this problem yourself? Maybe you borrowed more money than you should have, or you didn't have access to the types of financing you needed. Regardless of what caused your current situation, you will need to take control of your debt so you can start living debt-free. If you are currently carrying any type of debt, credit card debt, medical bills, or other forms of unsecured debt, you need to speak to a financial consultant immediately. There are companies out there that will negotiate with your creditors in order to get you a much lower interest rate and more affordable monthly payments. Debt consolidators also help you set up a budget so you can start living debt-free. Once you set up your budget, you will be in charge of the amount of money you spend and how much you are paying back. With a budget, you will be in charge of how much money you save and how much you spend. If you are having trouble paying your credit card bills, you may want to consider consolidation. Debt consolidation allows you to combine multiple debts into one loan with a single interest rate. This will save you money in the long run because it means you will be paying one payment instead of multiple payments. It also allows you to keep track of your monthly payments and what you have left to pay. Debt consolidation can take the burden off of you and allow you to focus on other aspects of your life. You can take classes, find a new employment, start a business, or travel if you desire. Debt consolidation can give you all the confidence you need to keep up your credit rating, get your finances back on track, and start living debt-free. Start by making your own decision today to see if this option is right for you. One way to begin is by getting a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. These reports will provide you with your current credit status along with all of your past financial transactions. If you can identify which accounts are causing you trouble, you can start to pay off those accounts or transfer your balances onto another account. Once you have completed all of your necessary debt management steps, you will have a clean credit record and credit score. A good credit score will help you get loans, buy a car and apartments, and many other things that you can use in your life. It's a lot easier to obtain credit when you have a good credit score. If you do not have a good score, you can work on it by repairing your credit. Many people have used these services to pay off their debt by using a variety of credit repair methods such as credit cards, debt consolidation, and business credit cards. With a solid credit score, you can also apply for loans or mortgages, get a credit card, and make the monthly payments on time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about how to live debt-free.